Thank you. With this, a very, very warm welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Zhu Lia Huan Ying Ying Kuang Ling. Warm welcome. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We're extremely proud, Dr. Dieter Zetsche, our CEO, that you are joining the press conference together with members of the board of Daimler, Thomas Weber, Hubertus Rosca. Great moment for the smart family here in China. And what you just heard from Nick speaks, this tremendous success in China, smart success in China, is done by our dealers. It's dealer success. So I'm extremely proud that some of our pioneer dealers, smart dealers, who always believed in the brand are here today. Tan Sri ZK Lau and KS Gan from Lei Xinghong, together with Michael Lee from Zhongfu. A very warm welcome from the whole smart family. Thank you very much for joining us. A big thank you, but with this to all our dealers. As I said, they are doing the smart success. And now look at that photo. It's only one example, but that's how our teams, our smart teams in China look like, as enthusiastic. And believe me, what they accomplish is to really create a smart family. They build a kind of cult around our cars. They're doing much more than only selling cars. They live and they love our brand. They live and they love smart. Have a look at it. China loves smart, and smart loves China. Smart and smart loves China. And it's not coincidence that our new global motto of smart, as our car, we come with a smile, was invented here in China. And our customers are as young as our sales people are here. You saw them round about 25 to 30 years, really very, very young. And they love smart because, of course, it's a perfect city car. Of course, it's safe. It's engineered by Mercedes-Benz. They love it for its lightweight construction, which is so intelligent. But believe me, they love it, first of all, because it had become a desired lifestyle icon. It's really something young people want to have. And so that's not only the opinion of our customers. We are extremely proud that for a second time in a row, Smart was elected by the readers of a highly respected car magazine for the second time in a row as being the very, very best car of the year, and we are very proud on this one. So this makes us extremely optimistic, but there's something else which makes us optimistic. More and more Mercedes-Benz dealers are asking for selling our car. And so the expansion of the dealer network is continuing. We started in 2009 with 9 cities. Already today, we are having 65 cities in China. And probably you think now about the mega cities. Shanghai, of course, Beijing, of course, Guangzhou, of course, Chengdu, and so far. But also the small villages, for instance, in the southwest of China, Kunming, with only 6 or 7 million inhabitants. We started 2 years ago to sell there 24 of Smarts. Already this year, we will sell there more than 1,000 Smarts. Or let me make another comparison, Paris comparison. You know Paris. When you go through Paris, you will see in each and every corner of the city, in the street, Smart. Smart, smart, smart. If you translate that to Shanghai, and we would have that density of Smarts in Shanghai, this would mean 160,000 Smarts in Shanghai. Please don't ask me in 9 months from now, but you didn't accomplish this one. But it should give you a feeling of the huge potential we are having as people are loving these perfect city cars for the megacities. And as those megacities are demanding, of course, also eco-friendly cars, we celebrated yesterday a news. We made it happen. It came through yesterday. We got the green light for our green car from the Chinese government, and we are so proud because that's a milestone in the history of Smart, that we will bring this wonderful electric car, this eco-friendly car, to China still this year. And there are at least 3 reasons why our customer will just love it. The first one is it's fun to drive. Green is not boring. See the acceleration, see the top speed. You will feel the acceleration as from the beginning, and it's like sailing through the cities. It's fantastic. Secondly, important, everybody knows, engineered by Mercedes-Benz, the Smart was always foreseen to be built in an electric version, so the battery is perfectly designed, it's safely stored between the axles, so perfect safety. And last but not least, the price is affordable. It's on the basis of our Smart Brabus, similar to that, so we make electric mobility also affordable, what's very, very important. So wonderful new technology for all our customers who love forward-thinking technology. But dear friends of Smart, all together, it's not only about new technology, lifestyle icon. Another great day today because our customers love to express their own personality by individualization. And that's why today it's a start of sale for our Smart Brabus tailor-made program. So you see here on the screen many of 1 million possibilities. I brought you one example, a special present to all our female fans here with me in this wonderful rosé. And you should have a look later into the interior. Wonderful brown with stitches, which reminds you of a Chanel bag. And if you see at the screen again, there are infinite possibilities. Our customers can choose between 30 exterior colors, 20 leathers, and all that makes it, and all that is affordable for a price of 300,000 renminbi. So it's really the luxury car, the smallest luxury car in the world. and to make it possible for our customers to really design this tailor-made, in European, German craftsmanship made car, and to know it's now unique. It's existing only one time in the world. Our team is extremely proud that they were ready, that they are ready for today with a smart app where you can really configure and design your own smart, and and you will just love it. If you think now that's all already about what is possible, to choose only among 1 million different possibilities with Smart Brabus TaylorMade, that's not true. We can even more individualization. Do you remember that we asked the star designer Jeremy Scott to tailor-make his own smart, and we came out with this beauty with the wings. We got, during this spectacular show we were having, to unveil it in last November, so much enthusiasm that we decided to come with a street legal version, also with wings. You have to wait a little bit, because we thought, if we want to show today such an outstanding car you will love, this should be done, this world premiere should be celebrated with an outstanding singer. It was my personal wish. I know her since many months here, since many years I could say, from China. She is very well known here. We love her. She loves Smart. It's Tan Weiwei to unveil Jeremy Scott's Smart for Jeremy.